Some of nature's deadliest hunters don't chase. They wait, hidden from view. Crocodiles? Masters of stillness. One twitch and snap. The water erupts. Snow leopards? Nearly invisible. They stalk, strike. A blur of fur and claws. Even the tiniest predators know the power of patience, waiting for their moment. Lions use teamwork and tall grass to ambush, surrounding their prey. From jungle to ocean, ambush is survival. A deadly game of hide and seek. Silent, precise, deadly. The art of the ambush predator.